That's Jitin Ram Manjhi. He has just attended the swearing-in ceremony of Nitish Kumar and the Deputy Chief Minister Sushil Modi. Sir, आप अभी अटेंड करके आए हैं अंदर जो वोट टेकिंग हुई है, आप कैसा लग रहा है? क्योंकि आप पहले सीएम रह चुके हैं, नीतीश जी ने आपको बनाया, फिर आपको हटाया, अब आप उनके साथ फिर जुड़ रहे हैं।
देखिए, नीतीश कुमार जी हम समझते हैं कि भटक गए थे, वो गलत लोगों के संग में चले गए थे। अपने खुद कहे थे, जब ये बात प्रश्न उठा था तो उन्होंने कहा था कि जो रहीम उत्तम प्रकृति का करती सकत कुसंग, चंदन विष व्यापत नहीं लपटे रहे भुजंग। लेकिन आज भुजंग उनको ऐसा काट दिया कि जो समूचा राज्य बर्बाद हो रहा है। अब ऐसी परिस्थिति में वो भुजंग से हट करके अमृत पान देने वाले आदमी के साथ हो गए हैं। ये बिहार के लिए गुड लक है और उनको इसके लिए प्रशंसा करते हैं।
आप उनके साथ अभी फिर जुड़ेंगे? आप फिर जुड़ेंगे उनके साथ अभी?
हाँ, अब वो अलग की बात है, वो तो डिसीजन है।
आपको लगा वो अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक है? All right. Reporting with camera person Prem Preeti Chaudhary in Bihar, Patna, right outside the Raj Bhavan for India today.
That was Jitin Ram Manjhi. Very interesting developments there in Patna. Jitin Ram Manjhi, JDU, former JDU Dalit backward face Nitish Kumar when he at that point of time in the last government had done that once again, that drama of resigning. At that point of time it was Jitin Ram Manjhi who he made his successor. Jitin Ram Manjhi then stuck to the seat, did not want to give it up when Nitish Kumar wanted it back. There was an ugly breakup and Jitin Ram Manjhi then went and supported the BJP. Well, as they say, everything is possible in politics. It is the art of impossible, and Jitin Ram Manjhi once again back in Nitish Kumar's corner. Preeti Chaudhary now joining me live for more on what's happening. Fast-paced developments there in Patna. You know, Preeti, it was very interesting when you were speaking to Jitin Ram Manjhi, the same man who Nitish Kumar had to literally pull out of the chair that he gave him of the Chief Minister, now will once again be standing in his corner.
Well, that's politics, Ankit, isn't it? Because just let's look at it. The last 12 hours, every cliche that comes with political opportunism or otherwise as well possibly holds true. The latest, what we can tell you, Ankit, right outside the Raj Bhavan, the oath-taking ceremony just got over 20 minutes ago. The minister is filing out right now. Thin crowds here, a few supporters with me. The reason why the crowds are thin is because there's a 5-tier security of the 3 roads connecting to the Raj Bhavan, primarily because RJD cadres have been gathering to protest. They're calling it the dark hour of democracy. Let's just go back. 2 a.m. last night, Tejasvi with about 100-odd RJD men had marched right here to the doors of the Raj Bhavan in a very dramatic fashion, met the governor and said that what was taking place was the murder of democracy. And it should be the RJD that should be called upon, as they are the single largest party. But today, of course, at 10 a.m. everything changed. Let me just give you some information. Early morning, you know, we had a 6 a.m. flight from Delhi. We had JP Nadda with us on that flight. I went and spoke to him as well. And he said 2 things. On his question of why only the Deputy Chief Minister and the Chief Minister taking oath, why not the entire cabinet? He says because there's going to be a floor test soon, which is tomorrow. There will be a floor test tomorrow, and if the NDA can prove their majority, then the government goes ahead. That is what the governor, S.K. Tripathi, told Tejasvi yesterday. Otherwise, the RJD, Tejasvi Yadav, will be given an opportunity to prove his majority. On the other hand, right now, I've got some people with me, supporters of Nitish Kumar. क्यों हैं आप यहाँ से और कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं नालंदा से आया हूँ और यहाँ हूँ कि जो बिहार का नारा था नीतीश कुमार का, न्याय के साथ विकास, उसके लिए हम लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और नीतीश कुमार चाहते थे कि